I'm here to break you out of the Grand Slammer, buddy boy. But you're innocent. You were just a witness accomplice. I was the one who borrowed the train. Now let's go. We gotta ride into the sunset and live a happily ever after life. Motherfucker! You should have told them you had nothing to do with the train napping. But they all thought I was guilty, and I didn't want to let them down. I only meant to borrow the train on account of because no one would let me touch it. There's gotta be another way out of this. It's time we put our thinking caps on. Oh, bother. It's too bad we can't just fix the train. What a terrifical idea, Buddy Bear! If we fix the train, we won't have to turn ourselves in. This should be a cinch. Once we put the choo-choo back on track, we'll be home free.
Later.
There. Good if new. If you're new, if it's too good. Now let's get out of here. We'll hide out. They'll find a train, and we're home free. They'll never find us up here in the high country. Maybe we should have head on into low country. I tell you, we put the whole kit and caboose back together and left it right there. Outlaw's honor.
Then where is it now?
Perhaps we misplaced it.
What? Oh, that's funny.
I'm afraid it's too late for that. You two are going to get just what you deserve.
No, I cannot do it. I confess, Sheriff. I did it. I'm the train napper.
It's not like it could have just rolled off by itself. Then again.
Got to do something.
You're right.
But how?
Don't worry, I have a cunning plan to solve the problem.
Gotta be f***ing kidding.
Steady, Tom.
Climb out here for me!
I don't think I can do this.
You can do it! Just don't look down! Whoa! Not back to the rock! Look
Oh, Sheriff!
I knew it'd work.
Thank you very much.
But Tigger's still a train napper. None of this would have happened if it weren't for him.
But he never meant to train nap. He only meant to train borrow. And then it went out of control.
But borrowing without asking is bad, too. Especially when you don't say please and thank you.
I'm sorry. Give me another chance, please. I promise I'll hang up my ice cream scoops for good.
We talked it over and decided to let you off this time with a warning.